Hey everybody, obviously as you can hear I'm outside and got the seagulls playing around, obviously a lot of noise as well around, so I do apologise about that. But the reason why I'm doing this video is because of something I stumbled across actually, and what it was I was talking with someone, and they sort of like dropped me in not so much a secret, but they just sort of gave me a heads up about this person who is a hedge fund trader in London, and that he's got a bit pissed off with the way that these people are like scamming people, but without the word scamming, like as in giving them crap advice and giving them crap signals and trading and so everything about trading. So I've taken this journey a couple of weeks ago, and I am a little bit new to this. I know a little bit about it, and I wanted to know more about the signals, and I asked you guys about a week ago about what you thought about signals, and I very much appreciated with everybody that came on and gave me their comments, and some of you told me to stay away from it. Some of you said you need to go on at it by yourself and learn how to do it, which I am doing as well. But I just want something that's going to be easy in my lifestyle. I own a salon, and it is a very busy salon, and I wanted to do trading on the side as well. So I have been doing the trading as well, learning how to trade, but I wanted something a little bit simpler for for me, because I can't always trade. I can trade on certain days because I'm really busy in the salon. I can't just leave my customers and then go out there. Well, anyway, I came across this bloke who gave me a Telegram group to join, just to take a look. And the Telegram group's called Real Quality Signals, and obviously this hedge fund guy, he's keeping himself anonymous, which is fair play, because obviously in his line of work he doesn't want to be like called out sharing stuff. Well, anyway, he set up this trading signals group and on the Telegram, and he's dropped in, as far as I know, it's fairly new, so there's 15 trades in there. This is the free group, by the way. There's 15 trades in there, and these trades, he's doing a trade a day, and he's done 15 trades in there, and out of those 15 trades he's had 2 losses, but they're invalid, and the rest have won. Now he sends all the information to you on this Telegram group. You see the chart, you see where it's supposed to bounce off to. It gives you the entry point, the stop loss, and the take profit. Now, me being me, I've got a demo account, and I thought I'd give them a go. So I've joined the Telegram group, and I'm telling you that the stuff that he's producing here at the moment is at a 90% win rate. Now that's unheard of. I mean, I've not heard of anybody like getting a 90% win rate. The majority of the time it's sort of like 50-50, but 90% win rate, that's incredible. So what I'm about to sort of like say to you guys is, if you are looking for just something to have alongside with you learning how to trade, maybe it might be a lot easier taking some signals, and who better to take it from than an experienced trader. And yes, he's keeping himself anonymous, but he's dropping the signals in there. He's giving you the entry points, the stop losses, and the take profit. You can try it out on a demo account. There's no harm in doing that. That's what I'm doing at the moment. And I mean, I just can't believe that 4 trades that I've taken so far, I've won, and I've lost 1, but that was the trade on that was a very minor loss. So I mean, it's up to you guys. I mean, I think this is brilliant. I'd like to hear your comments on it. I mean, if you want me to, next time I do a video, or the next video that I post up on TikTok and Facebook and Instagram and that, I can share my results so far on my my demo account, just to show you the trades that I've taken and the trades that have come true. So let me know what you guys think of this. You know, I'm just curious on what you think on this. If you are looking for like signals, I mean, I can't pick this guy up anymore. If it's a guy, you know, it might be a girl, but all I know is the fact that this person is dropping signals into this Telegram group. I get a ping, I have a look at it, and I set it up, and it's that easy. So let me know what you think. If you're interested in this group yourself, and if you want to just come and check it out yourself, like, let me know, and I'll share the Telegram group with you guys, and then we can just go from there and see what you think. So thank you very much for watching, and I just want to hear like what you got to say in the comments. It'd be great, and let me know what you think.